mabuhay, maayong udto sa tanan akong followers, viewers o supporters. Guys, na ako karon din sa amo ang church. Nagnaami lunch fellowship kay nag-celebrate mi sa amo ang Christmas year end and Thanksgiving party. Daming tao. Hi Alice, anong Christmas wish mo sa mga sa congregations natin? Only voice over. You don't need to show your Sige.
My Christmas wish for everyone is for them to be healthy and be more prosperous enough to help other people. Yun lang.
Prosperous and more healthy. Thank you so much Alice. God bless.